Okay, now come with a definition of map. What is map? Map is the representation of the whole earth or part of it on a flat surface paper according to a given scale. What is map? Map is the representation of the whole earth or part of it on a flat surface paper according to a specified scale. It just seems as you are looking at that place from a height overhead. ठीक है, it is a representation of a suitable scale. So I think you have understand clearly. In the previous topic I've tell you about the difference between the globe and the earth, and the second thing I tell you about a specified scale. Okay, difference between globe and map. The basic difference between a globe and a map is that globe is round and map is flat. Globe is a round model and the map is a specified surface or scale. Globe is round and a map is flat. Globe represents the whole earth while map can represent a small portion of earth as well. Okay, globe is like a whole type of model, and that the map is a small portion of the earth. Globe cannot represent much details. On the other hand, every type of details can be shown on a map. This point is that globe cannot present much detail. In the globe you can only see the round about the continent, and you can see the direction, and on the other hand every type of detail can be shown on a map. On the other side, on a map, everything can be shown. You can see that this is block A, the directions you can tell, and more about the representations can also be tell with the help of contours. Okay, importance of map. So what is the importance of the map? Our earth is a big place. What it is shaped, where do we live, and what type of place is that where we live? What type of places are situated around us, and what type of connection means interconnections we have with our surrounding places? To answer such type of question we need a map. Map has very importance. Okay, the most important thing that it tells us that where we live, what type of place where we live, what type of places are situated around us. It can also tell us that where we live, what type of places situated around us, what type of connection and interbodies we have with our surrounding places. To answer such type of question we need a map. What are maps and how they are prepared? Map क्या है और map कैसे बनते हैं? To understand, let us have an example. Look, you can see this is a picture of Muzaffarabad city where two rivers Neelam and Jhelum are combining. This is the exact picture, and you can see on the other hand, on the right side, this is a sketch map of that river Neelam Jhelum, which is drawn with a specified scale and directions has been told. Color, with the help of color, it can also tell us the direction. That the blue thing is the river. Okay. On the other hand, you can see this is a map prepared according to a scale. This is a scale. For example, I can tell you in a supposed way that the specified scale is about 5 centimeter. For example, 5 centimeter equals to 500. Specified scale is drawn according to direction 100, 200, 300. Right? This is the direction pole. These are the conventional signs. These are the conventional signs. What are conventional signs? Conventional signs are those signs in which a specified small direction of a place can be seen with a little picture. You can see this is some of the directions. I can tell you railway line. This is the arrow which is used to present on a map the railway line. And the second thing is bridge. Third is canal. 4 is mosque. This is a small picture of mosque.